I'm about to go meet up with a gentleman named Peter. Works out of his garage. He's the guy that does, you know, accessories for some of the people that own Spyders and Rykers. Kind of been communicating back and forth for about a month now. I'm gonna come meet him real quick at his house and check out his setup real quick. See what kind of work he does. Working on some stuff now, so it'd be cool to see how he gets down. Let's go meet Peter. Nice little Can-Am setup. What's up, brother? How are you?
Man.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Same
Josh.
here, bro, man. Same here, same here.
Yeah, nice little setup.
Yeah.
You got the nice toolbox. You got all the tools and stuff.
Yeah, man. I tell you, I did all these lights here today, and they bought these lights, but these are like better because you can manipulate them a little bit more.
Well, they look brighter than the other ones.
These are harder to freaking bend, and I've never cut these before, but I've cut these. Okay. But I can't take a chance and do these right here because. And if you cut them and they short out, you know what I mean? It's like, you know.
Then you're done, yeah.
Yeah. What exhaust you have in your bike?
Silver Turbo.
Yeah, it's the same one I have. You have the baffle out or you left the baffle in?
I have one baffle in.
The one in the front?
The one in the front, yeah, because I'm not going to keep taking it down, up and down just to put it down.
Yeah, yeah. I had mine off, man, but...
You put it back on?
Yeah, I put it back in there because I go to work early in the morning.
Yeah.
And it makes a lot of noise coming out of here.
I can see it.
There you go. There you go. To the right. You got real eyes too, bro. Yeah. Just like real eyes. Don't get scared when you go out there, Terry. Don't get scared when he's looking at you. Yeah, I'm putting the United Mechanic.
United Mechanic, that's right. This is the spot. That's where everybody gonna come now.
One love, one love.
He gonna have to leave his job and do this full time.
Hell no.
What do you mean? You can make some serious money doing this. You can make some serious money.
Man, I got too much time invested in my job, brother.
That I get. Alright, we're out here. United Spyder Ryker Ryders. Over here by Peter. Checking out his garage. We got some of his friends and riders here. Accessories. I see you got like the front grill. Yeah. That was custom.
Yeah, that's from Top Notch.
This is all tough skin. That you
this is all the tough skin, orange madness.
Where'd you get this? You got an emblem done from?
Yeah, that's Ryker Wraps.
Ryker Wraps.
Custom emblem.
Got a lot of carbon.
Yeah, carbon fiber. All came from Sling Mods. Sling Mods and Tough Skins, yeah. Okay. Yeah, then I got the lights on there.
Oh wow. Okay.
So
all Sling Mods kits, right? Yeah.
All Sling Mods.
Nice. But she's only gonna do like the headlights, you did the new headlights.
Yeah, the old ones just didn't do it justice after I did it over. Custom Can-Am on the side, Sling Mods.
Sling Mods too?
Those not too long ago. Yeah.
Nice. I see the whole carbon fiber on the side.
Yeah, carbon fiber on the sides, carbon fiber knee pads. Custom. I got this knob off of Etsy. Custom. You know, the guy made it for me. Okay. And I had my system put on. A lot of people going with JL audio and different stuff. I put these on Memphis because I had Memphis back in the day. Okay. Man, they can compete with the best of them.
You got the end weights here.
Yeah, end weights on.
The foam grips.
Foam grips, hand guards.
Hand guards.
And I switched the mirrors.
I see the mirrors.
Those a whole lot safer for me.
Where'd you order these from? These are really nice.
This, I think, was Sling Mods.
Sling Mods?
It's like the second pair. I had the carbon fiber ones before. F4 custom windshield.
F4 custom, okay, yeah. Actually, I've seen some other rider with that already.
Yeah. Sweet. I had the front
lock,
key lock on there.
I see you got the brake extender on.
Yeah, brake extender on.
I see you got the cup holder.
Yeah, cup holder. This, can't remember. I have the Sling Mod ones too. And this wouldn't fit in, and I got to have my Miami Hurricanes, baby.
Yeah,
it's all about the U.
I love it.
So,
That's super expensive. House to come on it.
Comfort, good. Not as soft as I thought it would be. Still stiff, but you know the look.
Do you think it'll soften up with the more miles you put on it?
I think so. I've only had it on about 2 weeks so far. This is coming off next because I'm gonna get the custom Corbin backrest. So this will be coming off, but got the shad bag on there, carbon fiber, sling mods, and of course, Tyrestickers.com. Did those myself.
Cell phone holder.
Yep, cell phone holder.
The little grip thing here.
Need that unless you got a 22.
Cramp buster.
Yeah, man.
Beautiful. I mean, you got a lot of money invested into it.
Yeah, I think I'll be done. I think so.
We always find something else to put on.
Yeah, always find something. Oh yeah, and I forgot to put my button so I don't have to worry about leaving this on or off. I got to switch under there.
Nice.
Just click on.
Oh, nice.
He lives here in Port St. Lucie. He just moved out 3 years ago.
Oh, the exhaust. What exhaust do you have?
Oh man, this exhaust came from DemonSpeed.com. I had Brandon King. Too loud for me. So I wanted something kind of in between. And a guy posted, I don't know what site, one of those groups we're in on Facebook, about Demon Speed, says to even kill for you. Perfect. Do a lot of riding, 300-400 miles. I get tired of that loud, so I put a baffle inside.
Nice.
And it's perfect.
Nice.